Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have EARFUN WavePro ANC headphones and I'm going to show you how to create your own custom sound profile. At first, tap on EARFUN Equalizer. Here, as you can see, we have my sound profile, we have to tap on it, and here now we have to take on our headphones. Now we have to tap Ready, and here, as you can see, we have slide the volume bar left and right to find the critical point where the drip sound just disappears. And after that we have to tap Next. And as you can see, the whole test is just tapping somewhere. You will hear beeping and you just have to make the beeping disappear. And if you're done, we have to just hit Create Profile and rename it. After that we have to tap Sure, and as you can see, there is our sound profile. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.